Hi, I'm Reverend Daniel Ogbarmey Tetteh, Director General of the Securities and Exchange Commission. I think many people know Henry Ford, and he says that the highest role of capital is not to make more money, but to let the capital do more for the betterment of society. So what it means is that the capital market exists to create a platform to impact on society positively. How does this happen? So the capital market, for instance, creates a platform for what we call the surplus units and then the deficit units. So those who have some money to save and those who are looking for some money to inject into their operations. So the capital market creates that platform for savers and investors alike. So savers are able to save some money, investors are able to invest in various securities, and those who are the issuers who need to raise capital are also able to do that. So the capital market provides a bridge between suppliers of capital and users of capital. What this means is that the capital market makes it possible for the productive capacity of any economy to be strengthened. So let's say there's a business that seeks to expand its operations. By coming to the capital market, it's able to raise patient capital that it can use to expand its operations and increase its level of productivity. Now, when a company is able to do that, it also means that there is more creation of jobs. So it deals with unemployment and so on and so forth. If you take, let's say, a government or a government agency can raise money that can be used to address infrastructure deficits and so on and so forth. So basically, the relevance of the capital market is that it provides the platform for the mobilization or the raising of long-term capital. We like to call it patient capital, which is critical to fueling or accelerating economic growth by making it possible for the productive capacity of the economy to be deepened, and that will lead to more creation of job, more GDP, and so on and so forth. So the capital market is key, and indeed in many economies the capital market has played a critical role in fueling growth and transforming economies. If we take Ghana in particular, you take infrastructure, we have quite a bit of deficit, whether you talk about housing, whether you talk about transportation, whether it's road or rail or air, if you talk about health, if you talk about education, if you talk about industry, you see that we have quite a bit of deficit where infrastructure is concerned. So the capital market can provide the platform for the mobilization of capital to address these deficits in the infrastructure of the economy and therefore help to strengthen the growth of the economy. If you look at the fact that Ghana will still have to deal with unemployment, again, the capital market can enable businesses to raise capital to fund the expansion plans of their businesses. Indeed, even within the capital market framework, you can have things like venture capital that can support new ideas. So you talk about people graduating and looking for employment opportunities but lacking capital. The capital market can help to address that. Again, in Ghana, I believe we've heard the president of the country talking about the fact that he wants a Ghana beyond aid. Well, if we are talking about a Ghana beyond aid, it means that you must have a Ghana that can trade. And so the capacity to trade, because look at it this way, if there's the opportunity, you say you want to trade, but you don't have what it takes to trade, you'll not be able to take advantage of that. You may also know that recently the Secretariat of the African Free Continental Trade Area has been sited here in Ghana. And in essence, the African Continental Free Trade Area is designed to create a platform for trade within the African countries. How can Ghana take advantage of this if we don't have the productive capacity, if our supply system is compromised. So we need capital that would strengthen the economy. We need capital that would address infrastructure deficits. We need capital that would put more steel in the productive capacity of the economy. And that's why you need a plan that lays out an intentional, strategic, step-by-step way of achieving growth and development in the capital market. So the capital market master plan is important because we need that blueprint that will lay out the pathway to developing the market in order to do all these positive things for Ghana, which other economies have been able to experience.